Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and we're just trying to think of a little quick and easy, fun craft. And I thought, well, we could play with the ATC cards that are in the Junk Journal Nature's Lace kit, and these are the first freebie. So I thought we could play with those. And the funny thing is, I printed them the first time my printer printed them little tiny, and so I thought, let's play with those instead of the big ones. So what I'm going to do is I printed on watercolor paper. I have some markers here. I have my crystal sparkle pen, which I think I will use more than water. And actually, I'm going to go straight on with the markers onto the actual cards. And they are really tiny. So I think I will go ahead and cut them apart. And we'll just work on a couple. I just want to outline them and give them a little extra and some sparkle, and we'll save them and use them in the kit, in the junk journal. These are super cute, especially small. They remind me of the size for your like miniature playing cards, whatever. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're just going to take them and we're going to play with them with some of this watercolor ink. I have the different colors here. For instance, like this one, it is so stinking cute, but the owl is or the bird is not it's not an owl, is it? Is it an owl? It's a pigeon, maybe. I don't know. That's the owl. Anyway, thought we could play with it and just play with some of the colors. You know, the pinks and the purples and the blues are some of my favorite colors. So we're just going to play with it. I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to probably pull you in here. We're just going to outline the bird with some of the color here to give it more. And you know what? You don't have to do this. This is just a fun little activity that we could do. So I'm just going to add some of that color there. This is what I sometimes go around the edges with. Instead of using a marker, just use this ink. And then you could also make them little tiny tags if you wanted to. Right? Doesn't that look cute? And that's just with ink. So let's do another one together and then we'll see. And I hope that you like this idea. Go and play, see what you like. If you don't like it, that's okay too. You know, this is a printable, so you can reprint it. Anyway, thanks so much for watching.